Welcome back to another video, boys and girls, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to level up on Steam fast, efficient and all that stuff. It's free or cheap, whatever you want to call it. Some of the stuff that I'll be showing you today is free, some of the stuff is paid, but you can always level up for free. So yeah, just before the video starts, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel with post notifications on, like the video, comment down below what else you want me to do on my channel, and let's hit 400 subscribers. We're 4 subscribers away, so if you could subscribe and turn on the post notifications, guys, that would mean a lot. So yeah, let's get shown the video. So the first thing that you want to do, guys, is go to your Steam profile. First log into Steam, go into your profile. When you're on your profile, go into your inventory, and then what you want to do in your inventory is go to your Steam items, and as you can see I have loads and loads and loads of Steam items. And what you can do with these Steam items is basically there should be a button here that says turn into gems, and you'll basically get these things. I don't have that on any of these items because I already turned all the possible items. Oh yeah, this one, as you can see, it says turn into 20 gems. You click turn in and you click OK. I won't click OK because I don't want to turn this into gems. And basically what you want to do with gems is you create booster packs, and then with those booster packs you get trading cards for Apex Legends, for whatever game you're playing, stuff like that. And then you go to badges and you go to, for example, this one, and then you click craft, and it'll craft it, and it'll give you like 150 XP, and you need 100 XP to get a level up. So yeah, as you can see, I need 20 XP to get to level 10, and then I can have a showcase and all that stuff. So yeah, this is a really important one, the community leader. So what you want to do for this, guys, is enable Steam Guard on your Steam account. What this is basically you have to download an app on your phone called Steam, and you activate Steam Guard. Okay, that's one achievement. View a broadcast. This is really easy. You just have to view a broadcast. You just go to the broadcast session and view one. Okay, add a friend to your friends list. You need to put some money in your Steam account before you do this, by the way, because if you haven't put any money in your Steam account, you will not be able to level up. So add this friend on your friends list. Just basically add anyone randomly and hope they accept you, and you're gonna have to take this achievement. So post a screenshot. What you want to do is when you're inside the game, click F12, and then after you finish the game, just click on the publish button, and then your screenshot will be posted and you'll complete this as well. Subscribe an item in the Steam workshop. This is really easy. Just basically go to the workshop. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now, actually. Let's see, where's the workshop? The workshop is right here. Go to the community and then go to the third option, and then click on any one you want. I'm gonna go to the Terraria, whatever the hell it's called. Click on this one, for example, and then you just want to click subscribe to this. Okay, and then that's another challenge completed. Okay, the next one is comment on set your real name on your Steam profile. So how you do this is basically you go to your profile, click edit profile, and then you go here and you have to put your real name. I've already done this, but you can just put whatever. I'm just gonna put just some random letters like this, and it's gonna complete the challenge. Then click save, and then afterwards when you've completed the challenge, you can delete this and you can just have your normal username. So that's another challenge completed. So what you want to do after that is comment on friend's profile. That's simple. Comment on friend's screenshot. That's also simple. Use an emoticon in chat. That's easy. Make a trade. That's also easy. Add a phone number to your account. Now you have to have a phone, and you have to have a phone number for this, which probably most of you guys do have. So yeah, you have to just put your phone number in. It's pretty straightforward. Use the store discovery queue. That's easy. Play a game, easy. Post a video, easy. So basically you have to complete all of these and you will get 500 XP. I have not completed this one yet, the last one, try that community market, because I've recently just bought a £10 Steam gift card, and I'm not going to be able to buy anything until the 7 trade ban disappears, and it's going to disappear on the 9th, 4th, 2021, which is in like 4 days. So yeah, and then I can buy stuff and level up and all that stuff. So yeah, the next thing that you want to do, guys, is basically craft gems. When you craft gems, you will get a gem maker badge, and you get 100 XP for that. That's one free level up. So then what you want to do after that is go into the description down below and click on the first thing that you see, and it's going to come up with this bot. So what you want to do with this bot is basically add him, and what this bot does is when you have enough gems, you can basically trade in gems for trading cards, and then when you get the trading cards you can get level ups and all that stuff. As you can see, this trading bot is level 350. This is no scam. This is basically how I've gotten my account to level 10 in like 2 days. So yeah, what you want to do is go message, then type in exclamation mark help. After you've done that, it's going to send you all of these commands. I recommend you to read all of these commands, and then you basically just want to type in how many gems you want, all that stuff, and then you basically just buy trading cards. Then this bot will send you a invite to the trade. You accept the trade. This is no scam, I can promise. As you see, plus rep, minus rep, stole my kids. Okay, that guy's probably joking. And then see, it's all plus rep, all plus rep. I'm gonna give him a plus rep as well. This is a really like trustworthy bot and all that stuff. He's got 820 plus reps. So yeah guys, you can trade in CSGO keys, you can trade in Team Fortress 2 keys, all that stuff, and get level ups really quickly. Yeah, also another thing that you want to do, this is not free, but what you want to do is there's a website, I don't exactly know what it's called, but I'm gonna put the link in the description. You go to the website and then you can basically find like the cheapest badges that you can buy for like 10p, 2p, 16p, pence, whatever you want to call it in UK. But then yeah, you basically buy the badges and then you level up, and then for every single badge you get 100 XP. As you can see, I got 2.2k XP for this one because I've completed this badge twice, or like 3 times. So yeah guys, as you can see, I nearly have all of the trading cards again, and then I can activate it again and get more XP and more of that stuff. So yeah guys, if this video has helped you, then make sure to leave a comment down below saying thank you or something like that. Just being nice, you know. Subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I hope you had a nice Easter yesterday guys. Yeah, I couldn't post yesterday because I was really busy with all that stuff. So yeah, let me know down below what did you get for Easter. Did you have like a nice day yesterday, all that stuff, and comment down below whatever stuff do you want me to record on my YouTube channel. I'm mainly gonna be posting like YouTube tutorials, like gaming tutorials, FPS boosts, Steam stuff, just basically tutorials, glitches, all that stuff. I'm just gonna be like a tutorial channel. So if you like any of that stuff, please subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. We need to get 4,000 watch time as well, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to make some money off YouTube and upgrade my PC and make my content even better for you guys. So yeah, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get to 500 subscribers by the end of this month. And yeah guys, hope you have a nice rest of the day, and peace.